Let's see how to host coded website on Hostinger. So this is our website and today we are going to upload this website code to Hostinger. So first of all we need to log into our Hostinger H panel. So we are here in the H panel. Here we will see the hosting section. So we are going to click on manage next to our web hosting. Now from the top we will select the domain where we want to upload our coded website. Now click on File Manager from here. Click on public_HTML. This is where all the website files lies. So now we are going to add all of these files in one zip file and then upload to Hostinger. So we will select them, right click on them, and here I have WinRAR, so I am going to click on it and then click on Add to Archive. Now we will select zip from here and then click on OK. And as you can see that our zip file is now created. Now from the Hostinger H panel, we will click on Upload, select File. We will select the zip file that we have just created and then click on Open. Our zip file is now uploaded. Now we are going to extract this zip file. So we are going to right click on this zip file and then click on Extract. Now we will create a new folder. We will name it Code and then click on Extract. So as you can see that our zip file is now extracted to the code folder. So open the folder, select all the files from here, press Ctrl A from your keyboard, all the files will be selected. Now right click on these files and then click on Move File from here. Here on the bottom you will see that our path is public_HTML/code. Now we will move these files to public_HTML folder. So we are going to double click on this folder icon from here. And as you can see that our path is now changed. So click on Move. All the files are now moved to public_HTML folder. And now if I go back to my Hostinger dashboard and click on this domain. And as you can see that our website is now working. This is just a simple HTML website. But if you have a website with database, then go back to Hostinger dashboard, click on Databases and then click on Management. Now enter your database name, MySQL username and password, and after that just click on Create. Once the database is created, you will show it here. After creating the database, just click on Enter phpMyAdmin. Now from the top just click on Import, click on Choose File. Select the SQL file from your computer and upload your database. So this is how you can upload coded website to Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.